Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to change the image thumbnail size in Windows computer. So thumbnails are scaled down versions of images or videos that give users a quick preview of the content without having to open the file. And by default, Windows displays image thumbnails in predetermined size. However, some may find the default thumbnail size too small or too large for their preferences. And there are various reasons why might want to change the size of image thumbnails. For instance, larger thumbnails can help users better preview in the image details, making it easier to locate specific files without opening them. And the exact process to change may vary depending on the versions of Windows you're using. And then I'll show you a quick ways to change it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to modify by use File Explorer. So press the Windows key plus letter E on your keyboard to open this File Explorer. And then once you open up this File Explorer, and then you need to navigate to your destination folder. And then at the top, you can see this View tab or the Layout and View options, and then click that arrow. And then you can select now from numerous options and pick the one you prepare. So for example, you want to select these small icons, and then you can see now that automatically change it to small icons. Same with medium icons, and then same with large icons. Or also you can select this list, or you can select details, or tiles, content. So it depends on you how to want to change it. So either small, large icon tiles or content. Alright, so once you're done here at File Explorer, and the other options that we're going to do is to modify also same with File Explorer. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter E on your keyboard to open again this File Explorer. And then once you open up this File Explorer, and then you need to select this three horizontal dots and then click. So this is the same settings, and then click. And then you need to select option. And then pop up this folder option settings. And then you need to select this view tab. And then you can say this folder views. So you can apply this view such as details or icons to all folders of this type. And then you need to click this apply folders and click OK. Alright, so once you selected of these options, will all apply to all files on your File Explorer system. Alright, so that's it guys on how to change the image thumbnail size in Windows computer. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.